Hey guys, welcome to Hotly Trending, your home of crypto airdrops, and testnet guides, where you can easily make your first dollars in crypto for free with $0 starting. Let's do Liqfinity. Liqfinity is an AI lending platform where you can, take loans against your crypto as collateral. So you click on the link for the testnet and then you create your account like I'm doing on screen. So you input your email address. So let's say Bawanelkeke, then your password. You input your password, you create a password that is at least strong enough. Then you click on create account. So that's what you do. Login. Since I've created my account, I'm going to click on log in. So in order to log in, the email, you input the email that you have created earlier on. So then your password, and you click log into your account. So it signs you in and takes you to the dashboard where you can see your balance, your credit line, your available credit. You can see your crypto that you can use as collateral. Yeah. So you can also explore the platform. You can look at borrow. You can see the credit line, available credit, your active loans. So there's nothing. Since I've been doing some small things on it before recording this video, you can see the active loans there. You can see provide liquidity, lock, unlock, total earnings, your share. So let's go back to the dashboard. From there, you can see the BTC. They gave us 1 BTC. So it shows how many BTC do you want to send, but actually you can see it's a testnet platform. The funds are not real, so don't think they gave us free $97,000. So this is just for testing purposes. So from borrow, let's borrow against our Litecoin, our LTC, since we have 101 available. So I'll borrow 5. Let's borrow $5 against the collateral of LTC. So click on borrow, then we confirm. So let's go. Okay, it's great. So before I borrowed $3, now I borrowed 5, it dropped it to $8. So I'll refresh basically to see that it has been updated. Very good, beautiful, to $8. So let me also borrow against my Ethereum. So I'll borrow 3. Let's just do a beautiful $300. So we'll borrow. The same process. Then you click on confirm. Then after confirming, great, beautiful. So before I borrowed $30, let's refresh. I just borrowed 300 now, so it should be 330. Beautiful. So I've borrowed that. So that's just it. You can borrow. Then let's provide liquidity now. So to provide liquidity, you click on provide liquidity. You can see I did $3 before. So you can explore. You lock your USDT, you can unlock it, then you earn reward every hour based on your share of the TVL. Then you can claim your reward. Unlocking on the mainnet will be 21 days, but for the testnet is immediately. So let's lock. You click on lock. You select how much you want to lock. Let's say $100. You click on lock. Then confirm. Done. So you can see automatically it has been updated to $103. So you can also unlock. You see, they said the testnet phase, the 21-day unlocking period is waived. So this is testnet, is done immediately. So let's unlock $1. So confirm. So you can see that 103 will become 102. That is perfectly beautiful. So don't forget, you have 21 days unlocking period for the mainnet, but the testnet is instant. So you can check your leaderboard to see how many points you have accumulated and your place. So now I have 0 points, but look at it. You earn 12 points for every $1,000 borrow. plus additional periodic point based on 0.3% of the loan amount per hour. So liquidity, you also earn 3 points by $1,000. So let's test it out, because I have 0 points and it's getting to me that I have 0 points. So let's look at our BTC. Since they give us 1 BTC, let's borrow $3,000. Click on borrow, confirm. Okay, great. So you can refresh. You see 3,100. That's beautiful. Our active loan is now 3,438. So let's go to the leaderboard now after the 6 point, because of $3,000 which gave me, see, 12 points for every $1,000. Now let's provide liquidity also and earn 3 points per $1,000. Happy now. So provide liquidity, lock 3,000. We lock, confirm. That's done. It's successfully added. So that is that. So now if you check the leaderboard, you can see 45 points. That's beautiful. So your referrals, let's check referrals also. You can earn 10% of the fees generated by your referred users. So you copy your link, and you invite your friends, your family, even your enemies also. Invite all of them. Okay. So other things are coming soon. The swap, the bridge, the staking, they're all coming soon. The testnet is still in development. So let's just test it out. You keep repeating this, you borrow against, and then you do all this. So thank you for this guide. Just rinse and repeat. Hopefully I'll catch you later in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. Bye.